In this video, we are going to identify the quality of image using OpenCV. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openviewer.com. In this case, search for identifying the quality of an PNG format image with OpenCV. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. This use case requires OpenCV and NumPy library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from Kandi. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code. This part of the code is to import NumPy and OpenCV libraries. Here we are reading the image, and here we are defining the formulas to calculate the term that defines the quality of the image. Let's run the code now, and we want to see the sharpness of the image, so print sharpness. And you have identified the quality of an image using OpenCV.